Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to share your Facebook profile with others via copy link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Play Store application, tap on this. After that, tap on search icon, search here Facebook. You can see that your Facebook apps is already latest version and updated. Now go back to your home screen. After that, tap on your setting. Scroll down little bit and find here apps. Tap on apps. Search here Facebook. Scroll down little bit. Tap on your storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. Delete all data. Now go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Already your Facebook allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Facebook apps. Tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on three dot icon. You can see here more option. This scroll down little bit. You can see that your profile link, and you can see that here this option copy link option. Tap on this. Tap on continue. Your Facebook ID is copy link. Now go back. Go to your messenger. Select any contact. Enter your messenger message. You can see that your ID link this. Tap on send icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.